Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the Capex program. Now we're going to give you the start dates of the projects under the Capex program. So the Capex program is a program where the government is going to spend $13 billion to do 6 projects. So basically 6 main roads in Jamaica are going to be improved, and when we say improved, they are going to become dual carriageways. So the existing road is going to be upgraded to 4 lanes with a concrete barricade in the middle, and it's going to look like this road. This is Hagley Park Road that we're driving on. We just went over the 3 miles overpass. So this is Hagley Park Road, and you can see it's a dual carriageway, 4 lanes with a concrete barricade. So the 6 projects under the Capex program are Arthur Wint Drive in Kingston, Grange Lane in Portmore, the widening of the bridge along Washington Boulevard, and the corridor from Nago Head to Brayton, including part of the Hellshire Main Road. Number 5 is East Kings House Road and Lady Musgrave Road. And number 6 is the entry into Portmore from Mandela Highway. So all these roads will be upgraded to dual carriageways. So Grange Lane, that project is the first one to get started, and that one is going to start in the second quarter of the 2023 to 24 financial year. Now, the Arthur Wint Drive on Tom Redcombe Road project is going to start in the second quarter of 2024-25. So that one won't start until next year. And this project has actually been upgraded. So Arthur Wint Drive is going to be upgraded to the dual carriageway, and Tom Redcombe Road from Oxford Road to Arthur Wint Drive is also going to be upgraded. And then Arthur Wint Drive to Camp Road will also be upgraded, and Camp Road will be upgraded all the way down to the intersection with Deanery Road, and that project will start in 2024-25. Now the East Kings House Road and Lady Musgrave Road project is going to start also in the second quarter of 2024-25, and that project is going to upgrade the road to the dual carriageway from Barbican Road to Hope Road. That's the length of East Kings House Road. That will be turned into 4 lanes. And then Lady Musgrave Road from Oxford Road to Trafalgar Road will be updated. So that one will also start second quarter 2024-25. Now the Brayton Road and Hellshire Main Road from Nago Head to East Mid Street, that one will also start in the second quarter of 2024-25. And then you have the Sandy Gully Bridge on Washington Boulevard, the north side, from Pembroke Hall to Ken Hill Drive. Now that road is currently, Washington Boulevard is 6 lanes. But on the northbound side, when you get to the bridge by Sandy Gully, there are only 2 lanes. So the 3 lanes on Washington Boulevard have to merge into 2. So they're going to turn that into, basically they're going to build a 3rd lane there. So you no longer have to merge into 2. And then probably the biggest project under this Capex program is going to be a new Portmore access road. That one is also going to start in quarter 2 of 2024-25. And that one is where they're going. This is actually phase 1 of the project. The project has 2 phases, but basically this project is where they're going to build a bridge, or a ramp I should say, from Mandela Highway to George Lee Boulevard. And they'll build a bridge going over the Rio Cobre. So this will help with the flow of traffic from Mandela Highway to the George Lee Boulevard. Now currently, when you take Mandela Highway, you have a lot of traffic. And most of the traffic goes into Portmore. So currently you can allow 1,200 cars per hour to access Portmore. With this new ramp, you can have up to 3,000 cars per hour access Portmore. So it's definitely a needed project. All these projects are needed actually to help with the flow of traffic. And as we said at the beginning, it's $13 billion to be spent on these 6 roads. And the objective is to target the strategic high traffic corridors in the corporate area and St. Catherine. And this project includes roadworks, drainage works, potable water, sewer line upgrade, traffic management, road safety improvements, and installation of street lights. And you're also going to have underground ducts for fiber optic cables. And this entire project, all of them are slated to last 3 years, the construction, 3 years. So that's the update on the Capex program. So we will keep you updated on all the projects. And when they start construction, we will make videos of the actual work being done. All right, guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.